Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Sunday. For Marion, Morrow, and Knox counties. Wet, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 9 inches expected. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles an hour. Travel could be very difficult. Blowing and drifting snow will develop in the afternoon. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained from the Department of Transportation website. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio.
Well, guys, once again, we have a winter storm warning, which is I didn't get it all week, actually all winter, I meant to say, guys. So, guys, I didn't see not much change right now. I have been busy a lot. I've been making videos of weather alerts. Been trying to do EMS videos. But for Instagram, I try and get to record weekly test. But it's actually I've been getting it, guys, but I had not been filming it. So the most one is still receiving weather alerts. Of course, the recom. This one is just on silent, and that one is on low volume. So because I want to, guys. So yeah. Anyhow, guys, I'm hoping this isn't going to turn out into a tragedy, because on Sunday it's going to be -5, as you can see, guys, which is I don't like. So yeah.